Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to sign up for Smartsheet on your iPhone. So just follow these simple steps and you'll be ready to start using it in minutes. So first is to download the app. Open the App Store on your iPhone and in the search bar, go and type in Smartsheet and click on the download icon to install the app. And just wait for it to be installed. Once installed, open the Smartsheet app. Click on open. Now, on the welcome screen, you can tap on sign up or try Smartsheet. Now, enter your email address and create the password. You can also sign up using your Google or Microsoft account if you prefer a faster option. Click on continue. Now, after signing up, check your email inbox and look for verification email from Smartsheet and tap the confirmation link to activate your account. So click on check email and in here you need to create your password. Click on continue. So it will ask you to save your password or not now. And you can now start creating sheets, managing tasks, and organizing your work. And that's it. That's how you sign up for a Smartsheet on your iPhone. So if this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And that's it. Thanks for watching.